Well, it's still a mess, but it's getting there. Cleared around this corner, so there's no floor space. Bandsaw will stay where it is. Drill press has gone there where there's better light. Still need to clear that table. Moved the grinder a bit further in and got rid of those broken drawers. Bench for my grinder, not my grinder, sorry, my polishing wheel on there. But what I did want to do is, my masks arrived, so I wanted to have a quick go of the welder. That's first attempt with it. Now, I've never welded gasless before, so I've done one line and I'll do another line. I'll get it on camera because I know Lee, you were asking. So I've just got this piece of angle. I'm just going to try and do a line in there and just see what happens. Hopefully this piece of perspex won't keep falling over. But yeah, maybe if I put that there. Actually, it's not going anywhere now, so hopefully this won't destroy my camera. Just find my gloves, where have I put my gloves? Helps if we earth it. Still in shot? Yep. It's kicking a bit. I think that's just build up of slag on the nozzle. That's the highest wire speed on max power. I'll try doing just a line. Oh, no good while that's jumping. increase the tension on the wire a bit. Keep an eye on it, don't set fire to my table. Well, I'm not too keen on the way that jumps. Not quite sure what it is. Just not really a lot of settings to actually play with. So I'll have a look on the internet. We'll cool this off and have a look. Needs some anti-spatter spray, I think. But that one along there, that's quite neat. These two lines, they're alright. It's wire brush them. Apart from the spatter, it's not actually too bad. Fair enough. Anyway, back to time.